Are you planning a project that's beyond ordinary? An initiative that will set your business apart? You deserve a building partner who sees the value and the potential of your forward-thinking ideas. At Allied, we're committed to transcending the industry boundaries of what's been built to set the foundation for what could be. When every other building provider may say, "No way," we'll work with you to analyze building needs and find a solution that's both creative and realistic. It starts with our in-house engineering team and fabrication facility. That, plus our wide-ranging network of designers, vendors, and fabricators who we call on to implement well-priced, high-quality materials specific to your business, industry, and location. This means we can curate a tailor-made solution for each customer that's also innovative, efficient, and cost-effective, even when it means doing something that hasn't been done before. Give us your timeline, even when it's ambitious, and we'll do our best to make it happen. For the past 19 years, we've been standing by our clients during every phase of the building process, from conceptual drafts to permit drawings and on to ribbon cutting and everything in between. So whether simple or complex, give us your big ideas, your tight timelines, the strictly regulated, the geographically remote. If you found your way here, chances are you're a lot like us, a visionary, down to earth, and dedicated to forging new paths forward. After all, it's just beyond the boundaries of normal, where greatness happens and where business dreams come alive. Whether it's an urban craft brewery or a rural distribution center, high winds in the Caribbean, or community development in Chile, together we can exceed the expected.